All right, y'all, we're gonna make some Jello cake. Start with a white cake mix. And then we're gonna throw in 1 cup of water. Half a cup of vegetable oil. And 3 eggs. Basically, you're just gonna make it as the instructions tell you. We're gonna give that a nice stir. All right, now that you have that good and mixed together, we're gonna take our 13 by 9 and just pour the cake mix in there. Use your spatula to get try to get all the amount out that you can get. Try to be thorough with it. Don't want y'all fussing at me about the scraping my bowls. Especially these days, we don't want to waste, you know. This could be a good Easter cake or, you know, birthday cake or any kind of cake, really. All right, so we've got the oven preheated to 350, so we're gonna throw it in there for about 30 minutes. All right, y'all, our cake is ready. Now we're gonna poke some holes up in there, about 1 inch to 1/2 inch apart. Just do some holes all the way through. This is a Jello poke cake. You can use any kind of Jello you want. You can do I'm doing strawberry. You can do raspberry. I mean, they have all kinds of crazy flavors now. What's your favorite Jello, Rain?
I don't even know.
You like the green one?
The green one's pretty good.
Oh, yeah, I think that's like green apple or something. I don't know, it kind of makes me think of the hospital too, so it's like, but not this. This is a really wonderful cake. Okay, so we got our final hole in there. We're gonna step over here and make our Jello real quick. So let's throw this in here. We got a 3-ounce Jello packet. We're gonna throw 1 cup of boiling water. It smells so good. Smells like some Kool-Aid. That's what I grew up on. Let's get that kind of mixed in there. All right, that's pretty good and dissolved. Once we have that dissolved, we're gonna pour in a cup of cold water. Anybody who's done Jello knows the deal. So we got that in there. All right, now that that's ready, we're gonna take this liquid that we made and we're gonna pour it. If it pours over cake, that's fine too, but we wanna try to kind of pour it so it falls in the holes. Because this is a Jello cake. That's why we made these holes. Just fill up the holes with your Jello. All right, you guys. Now, once that's ready, we're gonna walk over here to the fridge. And we're gonna put it in the fridge for like 3 to 4 hours, and then we're gonna come back and check on it. All right, we got our Jello cake. We're gonna bring it right over here. We got one little final step before we give it a try. Got some whipped topping here. I'm just gonna smooth it over the top. Some of you might want to just do it per piece. Or if you're going to a big gathering, you can just do it on the whole thing like I'm doing now. All right, y'all, now that we have that nice and smooth over the top there, let's dig in. Let's see here. Let's go right in. Look at that. Look at the inside of it.
Wow.
How cool is that? Let's give it a try. Whoa. Yo, this is really good. Whoa. Sweetie, this is going to be dangerous for you to have in the house. Oh my God. Y'all, if you want an easy, good cake, make this. Try it. Trust me.